Good evening, good evening everyone. My name is Untung Sriwidodo from MG1 Offer. Today, I will be presenting a summary of an interview with Miss Rika, an experienced educator. Before that, please watch my video record when interview her. Good evening everyone. Today we have Miss Rika, an experienced educator with over 20 years of teaching experience, to discuss the importance of education. Welcome, Miss Rika.
Okay, good evening. Thank you for inviting me. I'm excited to discuss such an important topic.
Let's start with the basic. In your opinion, why is education so important is to the world?
Education is the foundation of personal and society growth. It equips individuals with the knowledge, skill, and critical thinking needed to native life. More than just academic, education fosters creativity, problem-solving ability, and personal development. It also plays a key role in reducing poverty and inequality as it opens up opportunity for better jobs and economic stability.
That's a great point. Some people agree that education is not just about getting good grades, but about gaining real world experience. What's your take on that?
Absolutely, education is not just about memorizing facts or passing exam. It should focus on developing skills that are useful in everyday life, such as communication, teamwork, and adaptability. That's why many modern education systems emphasize project-based learning, have hands-on experience, and critical thinking rather than rote memorization.
With the rise of technology, how has education changed over the years?
Technology has revolutionized education in many ways. Online learning platforms, virtual classroom, and interactive tools have made education more accessible. Students can now learn from anywhere in the world through digital courses and video lectures. However, technology also presents challenges, such as the digital divide, where some students lack access to the internet or necessary device.
That's true. What do you think is the biggest challenge in education today?
One more challenge in ensuring equal access to quality education. Many students, especially in rural and underprivileged areas, lack resources such as textbooks, good teacher, and proper infrastructure. Another challenge is keeping students engaged in learning. In today's fast-paced digital world, traditional teaching methods may not always be effective. So educators need to find new innovative ways to capture students' interest.
That's an important issue. Speaking of engagement, how can teacher makes learning more enjoyable for student?
Teacher can incorporate interactive and creative teaching methods. For example, using storytelling, real-life example, group discussion, and hand-on activity can make lesson for engaging. Gamification, adding elements of gaming to learning, has also proven to be effective in keeping students motivated. Above all, teachers should connect lesson to student real-world experience to make them more relevant and meaningful.
That sounds like a great approach. Moving on, how do you see the role of parents in education?
Okay, for parents play a crucial role in child education. Learning doesn't just happen in the classroom. It starts at home. Parents should encourage curiosity, provide a supportive learning environment, and stay involved in their child's academic journey. Simple activities like reading with children, discussing their school day, and encourage problem solving at home can have a significant impact on their learning experience.
That makes a lot of sense. What advice would you give to students who struggle with motivation in their studies?
First, students should find purpose in their learning. Understanding why they are studying a subject can make a huge difference. Setting goals, whether short term, like improving test scores, and long term, like pursuing a dream career, can help maintain motivation. Also, students should develop good study habits, manage their time wisely, and seek help when needed. Teacher, mentors, and even peers can provide guidance and support.
Speaking of careers, do you think traditional education is still the best path to success, or are there alternative routes?
That's an interesting question for me. Uh, while traditional education remains important, alternative learning paths are becoming more popular. Vocational training, online course, and self-learning have enabled people to gain skill outside of conventional school and university. Success is not solely defined by a degree, it's about acquiring the right skill, mindset, and perseverance to achieve one's goal.
That's very insightful. Leslie, what message would you like to share with students, parents, and educators about the future of education?
My message is simple. Never stop learning. Education is a lifelong journey, not just something that happens in school. For students, always stay curious and seek knowledge beyond textbooks. For parents, support and encourage your children's learning process. And for educator, continue adapting and improving teaching methods to prepare students for the future. Education is the key for education is the key to a better world, and we all have a role to play in shaping it.
That's truly inspiring. Miss Rika, that's you for sharing your wisdom with us today.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.
This presentation will discuss the role of education, the challenges it faces, the impact of technology, student motivation, and the future of education. The importance of education. Education is the foundation of both personal and societal growth. It provide individuals with the knowledge, skill, and critical thinking necessary necessary to navigate life. Education also foster creativity, problem solving abilities, and personal development. Moreover, it plays a crucial role in recording property and inequality. Education beyond grades. Education is not just about getting good grades or memorizing fact. It shall focus on developing practical skills such as communication, teamwork, and adaptability, modern education, emphasizes project-based learning, hands-on experience, and critical thinking, which prepare students for real-world challenges. The impact of technology on education. Technology has significantly transformed education. With the rise of online learning platforms, virtual classroom, and interactive tools, students can now access knowledge from anywhere in the world. However, the digital divide remains a major challenge as not all students have access to this technological resource. Major challenge in education. One of the biggest challenge in education is ensuring equal access to equality education, particularly for students in rural and underprivileged area. Additionally, keeping students engaged in today's fast digital world is another challenge that educators must address. Making learning enjoyable. To make learning more engaging, educators can use interactive teaching methods. Some effective strategies include storytelling, group discussion, hands-on activities, and gamification, which involves adding game element to learning. Additionally, connecting lesson to real life experience can make education more meaningful for students. The role of parents in education. Parents play an essential role in a child education. Learning does not only happen in the classroom, it begins at home. Parents should encourage curiosity, create a supportive learning environment, and stay involved in their child academic journey. Simple activities like reading together, discussing school experience, and solving problems at home can make a significant difference. Advice for students struggling with motivation. For students struggling with motivation, it is important to find purpose in learning. Setting both short-term and long-term goals can help maintain focus. Developing effective studies habit, managing time wisely, and seeking guidance from teacher, mentor, and peer are also essential strategies for academic success. The future of education. Education is a lifelong journey. Students should always remain curious and seek knowledge beyond textbooks. Parents must continue to support their children's learning, and educators should keep adapting and improving their teaching method to prepare students for the future. In conclusion, education is the key to a better world, and we all have a role in shaping it. No matter our age or background, we shall never stop learning. Thank you for listening to this presentation. I hope it has provided valuable insight into the importance of education.